Hello, Madam and Sir. Have a good day. My name is Ivy Patricio, 46 years old, married, and I have one daughter. She is 11 years old. I finished 4 years in college, taking up Bachelor of Arts major in social work. I have 8 years experience as domestic helper in different countries. 2 years in Doha, Qatar, 4 years in Singapore, and 2 years in Hong Kong. I work in one family in Doha, Qatar, composed of four members, Madam, Sir, two kids, 2 years old and 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, play for them, and also I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing cloth, ironing, and I'll do marketing. In Singapore, I work in two families. First family composed of three members, Madam, Sir, and the kid. He is 10 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kid, cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing cloth, and I do also car washing. The second family composed of three members. They are all elder, 60, 75, and 93 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the age 93 years old. I do his taking care of his medicine every day. I do also accompany him going to hospital if there is a medical checkup. I do also household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing cloth, and I do also gardening. In Hong Kong, I work in one family. They have three members. First, the mother, father, and also the kid. He is 1 year old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kid, play with the kid, and also I do also household chore like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing cloth, marketing, and sometimes I do car washing. My experience as my experience as domestic helper shaped me into a hardworking individual who is trustworthy, honest, flexible, self-initiated, independent, and capable of working without supervision. Ma'am and sir, if you choose me as your domestic helper, I do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.